Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Porsche 911. This two-door, four-passenger convertible offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Porsche made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Porsche prioritized comfort and style by including leather upholstery, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, and one-touch window functionality. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Porsche ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.